Hi children, welcome you all to this session. Today we are going to start with our new concept, solving equations having the variables on both the sides. So in this type of problems we will be having variables on both the sides. The same variable, if you are taking x will be on both the sides. That is the difference in this concept. You can take page number 29 in your NCERT textbook. Okay children? Today we are going to start our new concept. What is the new concept? Solving equations having the variables on both sides. We are going to solve the equations. What is meant by equations? Equations means we will be having equal to sign with a variable, constants and operators. Compulsory it should have an equal to sign. With the way, so we are going to solve the equation where you will be having variables on both the sides. Okay, so you can take page number 29 in your NCERT textbook and you can refer the example problem from that question. So which example I am going to teach you? Example number 12. Okay, what is the question? Solve 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 2. Okay, actually this is one equation. Why? It contains equal to sign. Then it has a variable, it has a constant, it has an operator, everything it is having. So what we'll say, it is an equation. But the only difference between previous thing and this thing is, it is having variables on both the sides. It is having variables on both the sides. See, this is one variable, this is one variable. So both are x, but it is having on both the sides of the equation. So we are going to solve this equation. Solving means what? We are going to find the value of the x. So by solving we will get the solution for this equation. Okay, this is what your concept. Okay. Actually, in your textbook, they have given to solve this problem by using balancing method. But I am just going to do here transposing method, which will be easy for you all for the calculation. Okay. So usually I told you we are going to find the variable x, right? So we can all combine the variables to this sides and constant to that side. Okay, I am arranging like how means 2x plus x, if it goes that side it becomes minus x. Then only 2 will be there, right? 2 minus 3, if it goes that side it becomes plus 3. What I have to do is, I have to arrange variables on all one side, constants on all other side. Understood now? So 2x is a variable, so I wrote as such. Here x is a variable, so I am bringing that to that side, so minus x. 2 will be there remaining, so I wrote minus 3, if it goes that side it becomes plus 3. 2x minus x, x. 2 plus 1, 5. So x is equal to 5 is the solution. X is equal to 5 is the solution for the equation. You can verify it and see. Okay, how we will verify usually? LHS, RHS. I will substitute the x value in LHS and find the answer. I will substitute the x value in RHS and find the answer. If both the answers are same, then solution is correct. So shall I take LHS? What is my LHS? 2x minus 3. 2 into x value is 5 minus 3. 2 into x value is 5 minus 3. First we should do inside the bracket. 2 5s are 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. So what is LHS value is 7. Now RHS. X plus 2. X value is what? 5 plus 2. X value is 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2, 7. So LHS value and RHS value are same. So x is equal to 5 is the solution for this equation. Understood how to find the how to solve the equation having variables on both the sides? You should arrange all the variables to one side and constant and all to the other side. Understood? Next example 13. Here also it is an equation having variables on both the sides. Here is an x and here is also an x. So the variables are kept in both the sides. So what I will do, I will arrange all the variables to one side and constant to other side. So shall I change this 3 by 2 x towards this side and 7 by 2 that side, because 7 by 2 is a constant and 3 by 2 x is a value with a variable. Okay, now 5x as such, 3 by 2 x, if it go that side it becomes minus 3 by 2 x. 5x minus 3 by 2 x, because plus 3 by 2 x, if it go that side it becomes minus 3 by 2 x, equal to minus 14, remaining it is there. 7 by 2, if it go that side it becomes minus 7 by 2. Is there any doubt in this? Do you have any doubt? 5x is there, 3 by 2x, I am shifting towards that side, it becomes minus 3 by 2x. Minus 14 I am writing because that is the only thing which is remaining there. Then plus 7 by 2, if it go that side it becomes minus 7 by 2. Now, shall I solve this? Actually 5x minus 3 by 2x. So, shall we solve this? Shall we subtract it directly? No, because 5 is different, 3 by 2 is a fraction. So 5x I will write 5x by 1 minus 3 by 2x. 5x how I am writing? 5 by 1x. Because usually we will write the whole number like that only, no? 3 by 2x equal to 14 minus 14 by 1 minus 7 by 2. Minus 14 minus 14 by 1 minus 7 by 2. Now, we are going to take the LCM of 1, 2 because denominators are different. LCM of 1, 2 is 2. So, all our denominators should be 2. So, 5 by 1 will become 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. So, 5 by 1 will become 10 by 2. Now, 3 by 2. Okay, I want my denominator as 2. So, 2 into 1, 3 into 1, 3. So, instead of 5 by 1, it will become 10 by 2. Instead of 3 by 2, it will become 3 by 2. Next, this is also LCM of 1, 2. LCM of 1, 2 is 2. Now, 14 by 1, I want my denominator as 2. 1 2s are 2, 14 into 2. So, minus into plus minus, 14 2s are 28. 4 2s are 8, 1 2s are 2. Now, minus 7 by 2, 2 1s are 2, minus 7 into 1, minus 7. So, I have changed this minus 14 by 1 as minus 28 by 2, minus 7 by 2 as minus 7 by 2. Now, shall I substitute this? Yes. Instead of 5 by 1, what I will write? 10 by 2x. Minus, instead of 3 by 2, what I will write? Minus 3 by 2x. Equal to minus 14 by 1, what I will write? Minus 28 by 2. Instead of minus 7 by 2, what I will write? Minus 7 by 2. Now, denominators are same. So, shall I subtract the numerator? 10x minus 3x, 7x by 2. 10 minus 3, 7. X I will write as such, divided by 2. Equal to, now denominators are same. So, shall we check the numerator alone? 2 minus 28 minus 7. Is it correct? Because minus 28 minus 7 same sign. Denominator it is same. So, I have written this. Here I have solved and written. Here I am going to solve it. 7x by 2 equal to minus 28 minus 7. Minus 35 by 2. Is it correct? Now, I want only x, so I am keeping s such as minus 35 by 2. If 7 by 2 goes that side, it will become reciprocal by 2 by 7. So, listen carefully. If a fraction goes to that side, what it will become? It will become reciprocal into 7 by 2 will become 2 by 7. Now, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, I am cancelling it. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. So, x is equal to 5 into 1 minus 5 divided by 1 into 1, 1. So x value is what? Minus 5 is the solution for the equation. Is the what? Is the solution for the equation. Listen, I have shifted this toward that side. Now this is with the different denominators. Here also I have shifted toward that side, becomes minus 7 by 2. Then this is also with different denominators. So what I am just going to do is I am going to take the LCM and make both the denominators same. Since the denominators are same, I am going to subtract only the numerators. 10 minus 3, 7x. Minus 28 minus 7, minus 35 by 2. Then I want only x, so I am shifting this 7 by 2 towards that side. It becomes 2 by 7. Now I am going to cancel this. So I am getting x value as minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 is the solution for this equation. Understood? Next, we are going to solve exercise 2.3. What is the question given? Solve the following equation and check your results. Okay, we are going to solve and we have to check the results also. Okay, what is the first question? 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. So this is a equation with variables on both the sides. Is it correct? Yes. So for what we will do, we will use the transposing method. You can write like this also, by transposing method. What I am just going to do is I am going to shift the variables and all towards one side and constants and all one side. Here there is no constant, we don't want to shift this side. So 18 alone is there, let it be there itself. So how it will become means 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. 3x, 2x if it goes that side, it becomes minus 2x equal to 18. 3x minus 2x is 1x. 1x is nothing but x. So then 18 as such, because there is no any other variables to solve it. So 18 will come down. 3x equal to 2x plus 18. So I am bringing this x towards one side, x and all one side. Variables are constants and all one side. 3x minus 2x is x is equal to 18. So x is equal to 18 is the solution. So here we are going to verify it. Okay. So I write verification. Verify it means what? We are going to check it. Okay. So what I am just going to do is I am going to take LHS separately. What is my LHS? LHS is what? 3x. What is 3x? 3 into x value is what? 18. Okay. 18 into 3 is 8 3s are 24. 3 5. 54. So LHS value is what? 54. RHS. What is my RHS value? 2x plus 18. 2x plus 18. Appo 2 into x value is what? 18 plus 18. 2 into x value is 18 plus 18. 18 2s are 16, 36. 36 plus 18. 18 2s are 36 plus 18. Plus 18. So answer is 54. So here LHS and RHS are equal. So what I am just saying is we have checked our result. Therefore x is equal to 18 is the solution for the equation. Okay. Just we have got LHS and RHS as same. So we are saying that x is equal to 18 is the solution for the given equation. Understood? Second question. What is the second question given? 5t minus 3 equal to 3t minus 5. So here what is the variable? T. So we want to find the value of t because t is our unknown. So if you find the value of t, that is the solution for this equation. So as usual, by what method? Transposing. Transposing means we are shifting one value to the other side. Okay, transposing method, what you will do? You are going to shift the variables towards that side and constant towards this side. Okay, now 5t as such, 3t if it is going that side, it becomes minus 3t. So all the variables comes in one side, right? Next, minus 5 will be there. If minus 3 goes that side, it becomes plus 3. So listen, 5t, I am bringing my 3t towards that side, it becomes minus 3t equal to minus 5 as such. Minus 3 if it goes that side, it becomes plus 3. Now 5t minus 3t. What is the value? 2t. 5 3 minus 3t is 2t. Minus 5 plus 3. What is the answer? It is a different sign. So what you will do? You will subtract it. 5 minus 3 is 2. What is the greater number? 5. What is the answer? Minus. So minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. Now we want only the value of t. So I am bringing this 2 to that side. T is equal to minus 2 divided by 2. Why? It is in multiplication. If it goes that side, it becomes division. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So t is equal to minus 1 by 1. So actually minus 1 by 1 means t is equal to minus 1 is the solution. Okay, is the solution. Okay, now what I am just going to do is I am going to verify this. Verification, what you will do? I will take LHS. Verification also you should do, children. What I am just going to do is I am taking LHS. What is my LHS? 5t minus 3. Is it? LHS is 5t minus 3. 5 into t. T value is what? Minus 1 minus 3. 5 into t. So into minus 1 minus 3. So 5 into minus 1, because by BODMAS rule you should do the multiplication first. 5 into minus 1 minus 5 minus 3. Listen carefully. 5 into 1 5 plus into minus minus 3. So minus 5 minus 3 minus 8. Next RHS. RHS is what? 3t minus 5. 3 into t is what? Minus 1 minus 5. 3 into t is minus 1 minus 5. So 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 5. So minus 3 minus 8 minus 5, it is addition and put the same sign. So minus 8. So both the answers are same. Therefore t is equal to minus 1 is the solution, because we have checked it, right? So we can confirmly say that this is our solution. Understood, children? Next is your third question. This is also an equation with variables on both the sides. Here is also there is a variable. Here is also there is a variable. Okay. So what I am just doing is by transposing method, we are going to shift it. Okay. You should mention what method you are going to use. So 3x I am going to shift here. Plus 9 I am going to shift this side. Because variables and all one side, constants and all another one side. That you know, right? The same way we are going to do. Okay, 5x as such. Plus 3 if it go that side becomes minus 3x. 5 I am writing. Plus 9 goes that side, it becomes minus 9. Do you have any doubt in this? 5x plus 3x will go that side, it becomes minus 3x. 5 I am writing. Plus 9 if it goes that side becomes minus 9. So 5x minus 3x is 2x. 5 minus 9. So here plus, here minus. So you are going to subtract it. 9 minus 5 is 4. Greater number is 9. What is the symbol? Minus 4. Do you have any doubt in this? 5x minus 3x is 2x. 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Now I want only the value of x, so I am going to shift the 2 to that side. X is equal to minus 4 divided by 2, because multiplied by 2 if it go that side it becomes division. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. X is equal to what? Minus 2 by 1. Is it? Minus 2 by 1. So x is equal to what? Minus 2. Minus 2 by 1 and minus 2 is the solution. Okay, what is the x value? X is equal to minus 2 is the solution. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to do the verification. Okay, so shall I take LHS part now for verification? What is my LHS? 5x plus 9. So 5 into x is what? Minus 2 plus 9. 5 into x is minus 2 plus 9. 5 twos are 10. Plus into minus, minus 10. Plus 9. 5 twos are 10. 5 into minus 2, minus 10 plus 9. So minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1. LHS value is what? After substituting this, what is the solution? What is the answer for LHS value? Minus 1. Now RHS. 5 plus 3x. 5 plus 3 into x value is minus 2. 5 plus 3 into minus 2. Is it? Now, 5, 3 2s are 6, plus into minus, minus 6. Okay, 3 2s are 6, plus into minus, minus 6. So, 5 minus 6 is minus 1. So, RHS value is what? Minus 1. So, here LHS and RHS are equal. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 is the solution. Understood? Now, you understood how to do this problem. And your fourth and fifth problem is your homework. Okay, children? Today's class, we have discussed exercise 2.3. And I have given few problems related to that as homework. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.